Whether planning a month-long group trek in Patagonia or an urban bike ride around town, my gear shares in the experience and often shapes the journey. Gear isn't just stuff, it's part of the gang. My name is Whit, and I live in Portland, Oregon with my boyfriend Jeremy. Oh, and we're a big family. This is what the house looks like on any given day of the week. I'm hiking the West Coast Trail with 10 amigos in late August, so there's a bunch of training to do and a lot of adventures ahead. Necessity breeds invention, and I love it when a butt pad also becomes a banjo backing cover, a frisbee, a pillow, or a plate. When a well-crafted piece of clothing or equipment provides a solution, or fun on a bun, that rain shelter, trekking pole, stuff sack, that quintessential piece of gear deserves a high five. My momentum to accept new challenges and harbor curiosity is fueled because of my amazing support system. He weathers the storms with me, and we've shared a few rainbows together, which is clutch. These are my fellow gear junkie friends. We are weekend warriors, festival gurus, and know how to celebrate holidays with some serious dirtbag style. This tribe encourages me to fulfill my goals, such as my solo trek in Europe for 3 months, creating an outdoor cooking show. We're cooking out in the salmon huckleberry forest. And submitting to this backpacker contest.
I've known Whit for 13 years. We both started out as documentarians, and during that time, it gave her a leg up as a reporter, not only hitting deadlines both long and short, but being incredibly organized and a great storyteller. And during our 13 years, we've traveled from Patagonia to Yosemite, and she doesn't stop talking about gear. But it's benefited myself and everyone else traveling with her because she handles all the fine details and tells us what we need, and then we go enjoy the wilderness.
They are muses, we are minstrels. And when the need for an adventure beckons, this lot heeds the call. It's all good, even when there's snags, because there's a story in the gear, and I'm here to get the scoop. As your backpacker reader reporter, I'm ready for assignment.